A one-day remodel is absolutely the only way to go, and our expert team will handle everything from the first phone call all the way through to the installation process. So we'll do the job absolutely right the first time, and often for thousands less than a contractor would charge, and it's all done in just one day.
Honestly, it was amazing to have everything done in one day. We're still shocked that it's done in one day.
The huge selling point was one-day install.
The fact that they could do this in one day is amazing.
I don't think we could go without having a bath or a shower for 2 weeks.
I would not ever want anyone, friends or family, in my house for 2 to 4 weeks, let alone a bathroom installer.
I couldn't go 2 weeks without having a shower.
It was a really huge benefit to have it done in one day.
I thought there's no way they can do it in one day, but they actually did it.
They came in and were able to do it in one day.
It would be very inconvenient to have had this project take a couple weeks just because of our work schedules, our busy schedules with our kids.
It's our only shower that we had in the house, so when I found out it was literally gonna take a day, super excited about that.
It was one day, quick, easy.
Pretty incredible.
It was beautiful.
And the fact that they could do this in a day is mind-blowing to me.
You deserve a beautiful bathroom. That's your sanctuary where you can escape after a long day. And now you can have a Jacuzzi Bath Remodel done in just one day at a very affordable price.